That's right.
You
4C,
did a good
3C,
job.
3B, don't matter. Come see me. I'll do your hair.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny and this is my boyfriend,
Alex.
And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and yeah, join our little YouTube family team, whatever you want to call it. Alrighty, so guys, so in today's video it's gonna be a little bit different. My hair is out, my boyfriend's here. When you know those two mixtures, not those two mixtures, but once you know when Alex is here, we're about to do something. So in today's video we're going to be doing, well, he's going to be doing my hair.
That's right.
He's doing
a
all
poof
of
today.
this.
I have planned a poof, so we'll see how it goes.
Yes, a poof or a bun, whatever he wants to do.
Going for a poof.
We're going for a poof. Cross fingers. We'll see how he does it. So without further ado, let's get my hair done.
Do it.
Let's do it.
Alright guys, so firstly, I'm going to be spraying around the perimeter.
The perimeter?
The perimeter of the hair, yes.
With what?
Just plain old water. Don't want to get the top too wet. Next we're going to brush.
You can brush harder if you want.
Yeah?
Yeah. Don't be scared.
Hell, you can do it on the least as Keaton's hair. Alright guys, next we're going to add a little bit of gel. Eco Styling gel, so hopefully she doesn't go bald.
I know, apparently Eco Styler is cancelled, but like I might be using it here and there because that's my go-to gel and it's worked perfectly fine for me. So
next we're going to use a dab of gel on the perimeters as well.
Hey, don't why are you putting on my forehead?
One more for the back of the head. Huh?
I was gonna put it all on my forehead.
Well, your forehead's big, so be more specific.
You said the perimeter, not my forehead.
Shh. Don't complain. Alright, so we're gonna brush one more time. Now, I don't want to brush too far back at the top because I'm gonna push the poof further up.
I thought he was gonna make fun of my forehead, guys. I'm sorry. He's always coming from my forehead or my my hairline. So
well, that too.
I was gonna say something slick.
Next, where are you? There you are. Next, we begin the poof.
Oh, you're holding.
Is it hurt?
No, keep going.
Trying to get it tight so you don't get that bumpy look. You know how some girls be looking with their wigs all bumpy at the front? Right here? We don't want that. We don't want that at all.
No.
Get nice and tight. Is it hurting?
No, keep going.
Keep going.
Alex, that's not tight enough.
I know.
You didn't even loop it.
Shh, I'm gonna loop it. Hold on, I was looking at something in the back. Why are you making that face?
Nothing. I can't even see it properly. It just doesn't feel tight. So, I don't know.
I'm gonna style it a bit. How's it looking, guys?
Thumbs up if it's looking good. Thumbs down if like it's a complete disaster. I can't see it yet, so we shall see. Hopefully it's looking good. done? Why are you laughing like that? It looks fine. Alright guys, moment of truth.
The final product.
The final product. I'm about to look at it in 3, 2, 1. You know what? You actually didn't do a bad job. You know what? This is what my hair would look like if I wasn't drunk. And okay, well, no, but like I'm saying, for him doing my hair, this is actually good. Like this is what my hair looks like if I'm just throwing it up without slicking it. Like you know, girls, you know what I'm talking about when you sleek your hair, when it's like super sleek, your edges are on point, like. Or when you're just super lazy, you just throw your hair up. This is what it looks like, which is not bad because I actually walk around with my hair looking like this. So I think
that's right.
You
4C,
did a good
3C,
job.
3B, don't matter. Come see me. I'll do your hair.
Are you stupid? Lovey.
Yeah.
This is not bad at all. You know what?
I'm glad you like it. You dig it.
I like it.
Yeah.
If you like it, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to her.
Put your comments down below. Let us know what he should do next. Give us ideas because
DM
you know
me to book an appointment.
No DMs. Ain't nobody good at DMs.
Go down in the
Alright guys, so yeah, this is the final look. I'll give you a close up. It's not bad. Let's look at the back.
Don't look at the let's not look at the back.
This is what the back looks like. So yeah, definitely let me know what you like. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. And yeah, once again, if you want to see more videos from us, let us know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.